Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. JavaScript move an item of an array to the front. We are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the script.js file. So here I am just assuming the array which contains a numbers. So this is the array, right? And here I want to move that element 3 to the first one. Okay, the item to the move to the front. This element I want to move it to the front. Let the index array dot index of to get the index of that item. I'm going to get the index this on which index it lies. So for the index of, I'm going to get the index of that number. If the index is -1, check if if the item exists in the array. I'm checking if the item exists in the array. Then splice, remove the item from its current position. So array.splice method removes from the current position. Then what I have done, array.unshift, add the item to the front of the array. Array unshift means it is going to add that item to the front. Then console.log. Let's see in the terminal what it's going to be printing. So reload this one. Now you can see that what the array return 3 1 2 4 5. So 3 1 2 4 5, that means this is shifted to the front. So this is how you are able to move the item to the front. Okay, and let me tell you about this one. In this example, the index of method I told you, that is used to get the index of that item that needs to be moved to the front. Splice method is used to remove the item from its current position. Finally, the unshift method is used to add the item to the front of the array. Note, this approach modifies the original array. Okay, so in that case what happens, it modifies the original array. If you want to create a new array without modifying the original one, so what you can use, you can use the slice method to make a copy of the array and then use the same approach above to move the item to the front of the copied array. Okay, so in that note, what is the major thing is, it creates a new array, okay, without modifying the original one. So if you don't want that one, so you can use the slice method for that one. Okay, so any doubt, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.